Bluetooth on and off button is missing. Here is how you can fix it. You've tried to access your Bluetooth on your device and you do not get the on and on button. That means you cannot connect your device to your laptop using Bluetooth. Then we need to do some troubleshooting here and fix this problem once and for all. So let's dive in. First, let's see what is happening to this on our system manager. So right click on the start button, go to device manager, click on it. Once you click on it, look at this place. If you have Bluetooth here, then it is not active. It might be in gray color. And if the Bluetooth is not available here, now assume that the Bluetooth is not available here now, come to this place, this action button, click on scan for hardwares. Just wait a few seconds for this page to load up. You may likely see the Bluetooth here, and if the Bluetooth is not here, then click on this view button, then click on show hidden devices and wait for it to load up. Then you likely see the Bluetooth here. In case you've tried that and the Bluetooth is not here, then let's move on to the next step. Come back to this place, type in service. Now here, right click, run as administrative. Now it comes out like this. Then scroll down to Bluetooth support service, this button. Right click on it, open properties. But before you do that, you can see that my own is running. If your own is not running or disable or stop, then right click on it, open properties. Once you open properties, make sure you are under general. Come to this startup button here. Here, this arrow, click on it, select automatic, then click on apply. Once you click on apply, then come to this place, click on start, then click on OK. Now once you've done that, close this page. Then let's come over to this Bluetooth again, type in Bluetooth here, then click on Bluetooth and other devices. Let this page open. Then you should be able to see this button here, and if the button is not available here, then let's come to the device manager again. Right click on this start button or menu button, click on device manager. Now come over to this place and scan again. Let's run the scanning again. Maybe it will come up here. So we are assuming it's not coming up here because I have it here, right? Now let's assume it's not coming up here. Then click on this button, click on this button, then go and click on this button that says add legacy hardware. It comes out like this. Then click on next button, select install the hardware that I manually select from the list. Click on this button, then click on next. Now once you click on next, then you have to scroll down to this place until you see network adapters. Click on this button, then click on next. Wait for this to fetch. Now you have to manually look at everything here, broadcam, then this side, locate until you get Bluetooth is not here. Then do the same for Intel, locate until you get to Bluetooth is not here. Then Intel Corporation, locate until you get to Bluetooth is not here. Then Intel Corporation again is not here. Look at this one. So you have to try all these to see if Bluetooth is available. So in case you are able to get Bluetooth that is available here, then go ahead and click on the next button and install. So I've checked all this, is not available here. So if you get Bluetooth here, just click on the Bluetooth, then and do what? Installed. Click on next button to install. Once you install it, then come back to this place and run scan for hardware. Then the Bluetooth will come up here. Now in case you've done this and the Bluetooth is not coming up here, then let's go and fix it. Use the next option. Come to this place here, right click on this button, then click on settings. From here, scroll down to the update here, then click on check for update. Make sure you check for update and your device is running on the latest version of the Windows update. This might fix the driver's issue on the Bluetooth session on your device. Now that I've checked the update and you've updated your device successfully and it's still not working, then let's open our browser and download Bluetooth drivers. So once you open your browser like this, come to this place, type in Bluetooth drivers or Intel drivers, then click this official Intel drivers here. Now come to this place, search for Bluetooth drivers. So you have the Bluetooth drivers here. Now download any of these drivers and install in your device. Once you've downloaded and installed in your device, then you'll be able to have the Bluetooth working fine in your device. Now come back to this place and type in Bluetooth again. Select this option here to see if the Bluetooth option is enabled or active here. So that's all guys on how to fix Bluetooth issue on your device. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.